Hi, this is Dr. Michelle Wolford, and I'm here with Dr. Summer Nicole, who's a physical therapist, also incorporates somato reeducation and craniosacral into her practice. She's also the owner of yogadoctors.tv. So let's ask Summer, tell us about what you're going to talk about during the speaker symposium this summer.
Yeah, so the title of the talk is called Transmuting Emotions Using the Body's Intelligence. And really what I want to convey to people is, that people's physical pain and discomfort is not usually a physical thing. And this is what I've learned through craniosacral therapy and somato-emotional release. So really getting to, the repressed emotions, how to actually deal with repressed emotions whenever you're triggered, whenever you feel a certain way and you don't know why you feel that way. And also just addressing the nervous system, because what I've found in my own personal life practice and with clients is that you won't heal anything physically until you actually address the underlying emotional component and the nervous system component.
So how would somebody know that they actually need your services?
Yeah, so there's an array. I do physical modalities, emotional modalities, energetic modalities. So I learned really quickly that through physical therapy that people's issues were not just physical, and so I kind of educated myself on emotional stuff and energetic stuff. And so really I get people that are feeling off energetically. I get people that are in physical pain, and then I get people that have anxiety or stress, or they're angry and they don't know why, or they're sad and they don't know why, or they feel a knot in their gut. And so it's sort of across the board who I can help because I'm trained in physical, emotional, and energetic modalities.
And then when you say off energetically, I mean, some of our listeners may know exactly what that means, and other people may be like, this is a new world for me. What does that mean? So how would that show up in somebody's life being off energetically?
Yeah, the quickest way I could explain it is, and what's very common in most people, is if you're not grounded, right? And not grounded meaning you feel scattered in your thoughts, you can't focus, it's hard for you to be in your physical body, it's hard for you to relate to other people, you feel disconnected. That's one example, but then other examples could be you feel closed in the heart and you feel like you can't just be open-hearted with people, or you don't feel empathy for people or compassion for people. That would be like heart related. And so it could be a variety of things, but generally they feel off emotionally, and that's often an energetic component too.
Okay, so you're going to work on their physical body, and it's actually transmuting whatever this stuck energy is inside of them so that they feel better physically and mentally and emotionally.
Yes, and the main modality that I do is craniosacral therapy, and one part of craniosacral therapy is called somato-emotional release, which is releasing these emotions in the physical body. And so this main technique that I really want to teach people, and I'll teach people a practical thing during my talk of somato-emotional release, is using a facilitated kind of meditation process to connect people to their subconscious mind. And it's really just over and over again going into the body and using the information that the body's conveying to you and presenting to you to get under, what you're feeling.
Okay, that sounds awesome. Well, there you go, guys. Come listen to Summer Nicole, Dr. Summer Nicole. Give her a talk this summer.